Jim's gonna want to take a picture of you, Carl. Yes, did we have fun? We're gonna take all our jackets off because we're burning up. Oh, hot? Hot? You hot? I'm hot. Now, let's see. Want to come crawl? Let's come crawl a little bit. Want to come over here? Hey, maybe Mr. Jim would like you to, Grand Jim would like you to push this.
Would you go over here and have her crawl toward you?
Yeah, you want to move this thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Come here, Sydney. Come here. Come see your grandma. Can you come here? Can you come see grandma? Come see grandma. Can you crawl over here? You're a girl. You're a cute girl. Come here, see me. Come here. Come see grandma. See, I'm gonna take my shoes off.